everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make エビとほうれん草の卵炒め. It's shrimp, spinach, and egg stir fry. It's such a simple and easy dish, but it's colorful, nutritious, and most importantly, delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this エビとほうれん草の卵炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of spinach. You may think this is too much, but this will shrink, so no worries. 200 grams of shrimp, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and soy sauce. Let's cut the spinach first. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to cut it. Cut the bottom off. And just cut it into 2 inches or so. And the bottom half in one bowl, and the top half in another bowl. And shrimp. If you see any vein, remove it using toothpick. If you don't, just move on to the next step. Put the toothpick at the back of the shrimp and gently pull it up. Okay, let's rinse and dry. Paper towel. And dry them well. Let's crack the eggs in the bowl. And beat it well. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'm using rice oil, but you can use any oil you like. The heat is medium-high. When the frying pan is hot enough, put the eggs. Cook with big stroke, and when it's half cooked, take it out. Okay, let's take it out. In the same frying pan, let's add a little more vegetable oil. And let's cook the shrimp. When the shrimps are cooked, add bottom half of the spinach. If you're using baby spinach, you can add it all at once. Cook until it's wilted. Let's add the top half. Then add all these seasonings. 2 tablespoons of mirin and sake, 1 teaspoon of salt and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And just keep cooking for 1 minute. Let's add the egg back in. Give it a mix. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Put some black pepper if you like. And エビとほうれん草の卵炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The ingredients are so simple, but somehow it has layers and layers of flavors. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. エビとほうれん草の卵炒め is the main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here, and sweet potato miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about wakame to kimchi no salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either homemade or store-bought for the other one. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.